In this video, I will show you how to add YouTube shortcut to Chrome browser. When you add YouTube shortcut to Chrome browser, it will be easier for you to access YouTube in just one click. So let's see how you can do it. First, open Chrome browser on your PC. On the home page, click on Add Shortcut option. In the Add Shortcut window, just enter the name for the shortcut. In our case, it's YouTube. In the URL, just enter youtube.com. Once done, click on Done button. And as you can see, YouTube shortcut is now added to the Chrome browser. Now when you click this shortcut, it will redirect you to youtube.com. So that is how you can add YouTube shortcut to Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.